This is your Lead Left vodcast for the week of January 31st. I'm Randy Schwimmer. Welcome back. For private capital investors, the recent spate of market volatility is another opportunity to show strength relative to public asset classes. The threat of higher interest rates and spiking inflation sent equity indices on a roller coaster ride. But loan buyers looked at this same data set and voted with their feet. Last week, another $2 billion flowed into retail funds, bringing inflows to almost $7 billion for 2022. Assets in these funds totaled $94 billion, double the level from only a year ago. In contrast, $13 billion flowed out of retail high-yield bond funds. Last Wednesday's Wall Street Journal highlighted the positive returns leveraged loans have shown so far compared to the rout in bonds and stocks. It's the one asset class in fixed income that tends to go up in value when rates rise, one manager said. Of course, credit investors have anticipated higher rates for years, and despite the junk or risky labels, leveraged loans performed well during COVID. Global corporate defaults are the lowest since 2014. Being liquid, broadly syndicated loans earn a component of their returns from price changes. Fed rate hike expectations drove loan prices to almost par before falling back to just over 99.5 in the wake of last week's turmoil. Loan borrowers do run the risk of higher interest expenses, but higher rates often come with higher economic growth. Better revenue performance and cash flows should support the 1% to 2% rise in rates economists are predicting. Of more concern would be an economic slowdown. Last year's worries that the Fed was too dovish has been replaced by concerns it will overreact, hiking rates too fast and choking off commercial activity. Uncertainty, as one analyst put it, is worse than bad news. For loan investors, though, uncertainty about rates and volatility continues to fuel confidence in the asset class. On the hiking trail at the Lead Left, this is Randy Schwimmer, wishing you and your families a safe and healthy week.